How does a trust protect your assets from creditors? Imagine your hard-earned savings and property are like a treasure chest. Now, what if there was a way to keep that treasure safe from people trying to claim it? That's where a trust comes in. A trust is a legal setup where you, the person creating it, transfer ownership of your assets to a trustee. The trustee then manages those assets for the benefit of your chosen beneficiaries. Think of it as handing over the keys to someone you trust to look after your valuables. There are two main types of trusts related to protecting assets. A revocable trust lets you keep control and change things whenever you want. But because you still own the assets, creditors can usually claim them if you owe money. An irrevocable trust, on the other hand, means you give up control permanently. Once assets are transferred into this trust, you no longer own them directly, making it much harder for creditors to reach those assets. Some trusts include a special rule called a spendthrift provision. This clause stops beneficiaries from selling or giving away their interest in the trust. It also prevents creditors from claiming those assets if the beneficiary faces a lawsuit or divorce. For example, if a beneficiary is sued or owes money, the trust assets stay protected and cannot be seized to pay debts. Certain states like Nevada and South Dakota have laws allowing what are called self-settled spendthrift trusts. These let the person who creates the trust also be a beneficiary, while still protecting the assets from creditors. These trusts can hold real estate, investments, and retirement accounts. They are especially useful for protecting assets from claims by business partners or ex-spouses. For Latino families, trusts are a helpful tool in retirement planning and passing on wealth. They help keep family assets safe from legal claims and avoid the lengthy process of probate. Probate is the court process that can take months or even years, and trusts help keep your estate private and intact. In Latin American countries like Mexico, there is a system called fideicomiso, mainly used for holding real estate. But fideicomiso does not offer the same protection or flexibility as a trust in the United States. Setting up a trust here can give Latino families better control and security over their assets. To set up a trust that protects your assets, it's best to work with an estate planning attorney familiar with both the law and cultural needs. They can help you create a plan that safeguards your retirement, savings, and family wealth. In short, a trust protects your assets from creditors by legally separating ownership, including spendthrift rules to shield beneficiaries' interests, and using state laws that strengthen protections. For Latino families, trusts are a strong way to secure wealth for current and future generations.